Package for Brandon and Luca.
Did you order a package?
No. Did you?
No. What is it? Oh, wow! That's pretty big!
I know.
What are we gonna do?
I know jujitsu.
You know jujitsu? When did that happen? Run! Nice. Oh, hey. What? Him? Dinky man?
Yes.
What about him?
He's over. Somewhere over there.
What'd you do? What happened?
Jujitsu master. I punched him in the face.
Oh, nice. Okay, let's go. I'm not sure if we're gonna survive this. He's coming. I'm not sure we can fend him off.
You killed my father!
I am your father.
No!